Have you ever woken up in the middle of the night due to your partner snoring? It's a common problem affecting millions worldwide. But did you know that snoring is often linked to breathing issues? Tightening your airways can cause your tongue to relax and block your airway, resulting in that annoying snoring sound. To fix snoring with breathing practices, let's start by understanding how our body's airways work. Our lungs are designed to expand and contract, but when our airways are constricted, it's harder for air to pass through. To address this, try the 4-7-8 breathing technique. Also known as the relaxation breath, this method involves breathing in through your nose for a count of 4, holding your breath for 7 seconds, and exhaling through your mouth for a count of 8. This technique helps relax your airways, reducing inflammation and congestion. To get the most out of this hack, focus on your diaphragm, not your chest, and keep your mouth closed. Beginners can start with short sessions, practicing once or twice a day for 5 minutes, and gradually increase the duration as they become more comfortable. Advanced enthusiasts can try alternating nostrils, inhaling through one nostril and exhaling through the other. Be consistent with this breathing practice for at least 2 weeks before expecting noticeable improvements in your sleep quality. Remember, nutritional choices also play a significant role in your sleep health. A balanced diet, rich in fruits, vegetables, and omega-3 fatty acids, can help reduce inflammation and promote better sleep. By combining these breathing practices with healthy lifestyle choices, you'll be on track to a healthier, more restful sleep in no time.